Pages is an installation that looks at people who've had some kind of experience with the justice system, be that positive or negative. What the installation does is it asks people to write into books the answers to these questions about justice, and it gives them the opportunity to also be part of the installation themselves. The concept of justice is really complicated and nuanced to understand, and I think introducing it and seeing it through the lens of art and on a really big scale can really help us think more clearly in terms of how justice can be imagined, what justice looks like, what justice doesn't look like.
I am involved in this year's Lumiere through the building in which I work, which is the Ogden Center for Fundamental Physics. We have a projection onto the facade of the building. The projection is related to something in physics called string theory, which has to do with the fabric of the universe. The main goal of our research is to understand the universe and its evolution. But us physicists are not the only people who ask these questions. Artists are also interested in the very same questions, but they approach them from a completely different perspective. And it is truly fascinating to see how artists and scientists can come together in an effort to understand from different perspectives the way in which our world works.